how to check your login activity on Snapchat. Hi, now let's get started. First of all, launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your Snapchat account. Now, once you get to this interface, navigate to your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. That's going to take you to your profile page. Now, from here again, navigate to the top right corner, then tap on the gear icon. Again, you will land on the settings page. Here, scroll down, and at the very end, you will find an option as saved login info. Simply tap on that. Then you will get to this page where you will be able to view all your login activity on Snapchat. Here you will see the device where you have logged into your Snapchat account with. If you want to remove that, tap on this minus icon and then tap on yes, and then this login information will be deleted from your Snapchat account. So that's the way to check your login activity on Snapchat, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.